Okay, this video tutorial will go over how to share a document or spreadsheet or slideshow from Google Apps, Google Docs, Slides, or Numbers. So basically what you need to do is find the share button. I'm in Google Slides right now, but it should look very similar in any of those applications. So I just click on the share button right here. You can see that it's shared only to me at the moment. And then what you can do is you can say advanced, and then right here you can change this. Instead of saying private, you can say change. There's a couple different ones on here. This one right here seems probably like one of the best ones to use. I can say on and say anyone with the link. So then I'll go ahead and say save right there. And anyone that has this link right here, so I can just copy this and then paste it someplace else, will be able to use that link and go directly to the document file, whatever you want to call it there, um, and be able to view it. One of the things you can also do is you can share it with specific people as well. If you're not comfortable with, making it so that anyone that has a link can go in there and see it, you can share it with specific people and just put their email address in here. And then you can change, do you want them to be able to edit it, to just be able to comment on it, or only be able to view it? That's it. And then go ahead and send that as well. So that's a good way to be able to share a document that you've done using the Google applications.